uniting for a common cause, understanding, banding together. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, banding together. This expression isn't just about forming a group. It's about unity and strength in numbers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of banding together. So, let's get started. Banding together refers to the act of uniting or joining forces with others to achieve a common goal or to face a challenge collectively. It's not just about being physically together, it's about sharing a common purpose or intent. This phrase often implies solidarity and support among the members of the group. The phrase, banding together, has a rich history. The word, band, in this context is derived from the idea of something that binds or ties people together. Much like a band of cloth or a band that holds items in place. Historically, it referred to groups or tribes forming alliances for protection or mutual benefit. Understanding this origin gives depth to its current use, highlighting the strength and unity it represents. To fully grasp any English phrase, it's crucial to see it in context. Here are a few examples. After the hurricane, the community banded together to rebuild their homes. The employees banded together to voice their concerns about workplace safety. In times of crisis, we see nations banding together to provide aid and support to those in need. Banding together often carries a positive connotation, highlighting cooperation and mutual support. It's used in various contexts, from casual conversations about community projects to more serious discussions involving political movements or emergency responses. Understanding the cultural nuances of this phrase will help you use it appropriately and effectively. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, banding together. Remember, it's more than just a group of people. It's about unity, common goals, and mutual support. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and you'll be banding together with fellow English language enthusiasts in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.